you're saying anymore, man. Just do whatever you're thinking. Oh, man.
Hi, I just want to say that I can't tell you how much your book has helped me.
What's your name?
It's Jan.
Okay, here you go, Dan.
And it's Jan.
Back on the line, go on. Come back around, you'll try it again.
Hi, can you make it out to Kelly?
Well, hi there. I sure can.
You know, I have to tell you, wish it, want it, do it, totally changed my life.
Well, that's what I set out to do with this book. So, I gotta tell you, that makes me feel pretty great.
This is just a phone number.
I know. My phone number.
Oh,
Yeah. What do you think of that?
I'm not sure.
Well, I'm sure for you.
Oh.
Yeah.
I see.
Yeah.
I'm a little creeped out.
Hey, congratulations. Somebody famous now hates you.
Okay, so that's enough autographs, I think. And listen, I want to thank you all for coming down. And remember, wish it, want it, buy it. All right. Fine, settle down. You're worse than that guy from Penguin Publishing.
You want to get a book published, don't you?
Well, yes.
Well, if you want to be in black and white's got to be in you. Stewie, I used to think that John Lennon was kind of a jerk for saying the Beatles were bigger than Jesus. But now, it's like, I'm not saying I am, but I get it.
Now that we have 2 minutes to kind of let the dust settle, I just want to say that I'm really proud of you.
Hey, I'm proud of myself, man. I think it's like, I think everybody has greatness in them, but it's really about having the courage to just kind of get inside your own head and just kind of poke around in there, be like, hey, oh my gosh, what's under here? Hey, what do you call yourself? Oh, wisdom. Oh, profundity. Oh, truth. Hey, let's all just go hang out together between the covers of a book.
I love hearing about your process.
Hey, enough about me. This was a great meal.
Oh, good. I'm glad you like it. They told me everybody comes here.
Hey, there's Renee Zellweger. Hey, Renee, how you doing?
Oh, hi, Brian.
She seemed really nice.
Get over here.
Is